2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim. Take home the car of your dreams today.